Hi, Par! Congratulations sa inyo ni Ken. Best wishes sa iyo na bride-to-be. And magmahalan lang kayo. Take care always and I love you.
Congratulations, Par and Ket. Sobrang masaya ako, Par, na tagpuan mo na yung taong magmamahal sa'yo ng tapat at aalagaan ka. And for you, Kent, sana mahalin mo na sobra, protektahan mo siya tulad ng pagpoprotekta nung buhay pa si father niya. Ayun lang. At syempre, mag-i-English ako ng konti. May the years ahead be filled with lasting love and happiness. And wishing you nothing but a lifetime of love. I love you too. Congrats! I miss you.
Magandang araw sa lahat. Hint Boyd at Jennifer, gusto kong iparating ang aking pinakamaligaya pagbati sa inyong dalawa sa inyong pag-iisang dibdib. Kahit na hindi ako kasama sa inyong pagdiriwang, alam ninyo, ang aking puso at isip ay kasama ninyong dalawa. Nawa ay patuloy kayong pagpalain ng Panginoon at pagtibayin ang inyong pagsasama. Mga anak, tandaan ninyo, lagi na mahalin at respetuhin ang isa't isa. Ang pag-aasawa ay puno ng mga pagsubok, ngunit kasama ang pagmamahal at pag-unawa. Malagpasan ninyo ang anuman. Jennifer, malugod kang tinatanggap ng aming pamilya. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa.
Congratulations, newlyweds! As you enter this new chapter in your lives, just always remember this. First, to put God in the center of your relationship. Second is to keep respecting each other. And third is speak your minds always. Boy, we are so happy and proud of you. Gimingaw na minimo. Love your wife always. Hi, Jan! Welcome to the family. And we are so excited to meet you personally and maglaag ta diri sa Ozamis.
For me, for the both of you, share lang na ako ang verse. 1 Corinthians 13:4-7. Look it up. Siguro golden rule. Boy, happy wife, happy life.
Yes.
Happy husband, suspicious wife.
Yes.
Enjoy the day. Congratulations and hope to see you guys soon.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, first of all, I would like to say congratulations to both of you, Ken and Jen. We all know that you guys are on top of the world right now and you guys deserved it. To the groom, though we haven't met you yet, still we know that you are a good man and we hope that you stay the same even in a rainy day. So, to the bride, Jen, we all know that you waited for this to happen and you waited for this for too long. And now, well, you finally found someone. And we know that all of the heartaches you had, all of the sacrifices you've done, and all of the good things and bad things you have encountered, it all leads you to the happy and safer place. And that's to the arms, of course, of your groom right now. So, whatever happens, we're still gonna be your Pamilya May period. We all missed you. We hope to see you both soon, and good luck.
Hello, Boy and Jennifer. Hello, everyone. My heart is filled with both joy and sense of sadness as I record this message. Joy because today marks the beginning of a beautiful journey for the two of you. And sadness because I cannot be there in person to witness this special moment. Nevertheless, I want you both to know that my thoughts, love, and blessings are with you as you exchange vows and embark on this incredible adventure together. Boy, from the moment you came into our lives, you brought endless joy and laughter. I still remember the day you took your first steps your first day of school, and all the milestones that have led you to this moment. Seeing you grow into the remarkable man you are today fills me with immense pride. Your kindness, resilience, and unwavering determination have always inspired me, and I have no doubt that you will bring those same qualities into your marriage with Jennifer. Jennifer, as you officially become part of our family today, I want you to extend the warmest of welcomes. From the first time I met you, it was clear that you were someone special. Your kindness, compassion, and the love you have for my son are evident everything you do. I am grateful to have you as my daughter-in-law, and I know that together, you and my son will create a beautiful life filled with love, laughter, and cherished memories. Marriage is a journey filled with ups and downs, joys and challenges, but it is also a journey of growth, learning, and unconditional love. As you grow, stand before each other today, promising to love, honor, and cherish one another. Remember to hold on those vows in those days, months, and years ahead. Keep communication openly and honestly, supporting each other through thick and thin, and never lose sight of love that brought you together in the first place. Though I may not be physically present at your wedding, please know that I am there in spirit, cheering you on every step of the way. My greatest wish for you both is that your love continues to deepen and strengthen with each passing day, and that you find happiness in the simple moments you share together. As you celebrate this joyous occasion with your loved ones, take a moment to pause and savor the love that surrounds you. Today marks the beginning of a new chapter in your lives, and I am confident that it will be filled with endless love, laughter, and happiness. Congratulations, my dear son and daughter. May your marriage be blessed with a lifetime of love, joy, and cherished memories.
Hi Jen! Congrats on your new journey of life. May the good Lord be the center of your marriage life. Congratulations in advance.
We love you!
Hi Ate Jen and Kuya Ken. First of all, I just want to say congratulations to both of you, and guys, you've made it. Push. Talagang sa haba ng posisyon, ikakasal din ng dalawang tao nito. Let's go! Ayun, I just want to say na sobrang proud ako sa inyo, and grateful din ako kasi sinama nyo pa rin kami to witness your wedding kahit medyo malayo. Kahit malayo, diba? And I pray na i-bless ng Lord yung marriage nyo. And ito na nga, basahin ko na. Wishing you a lifetime and a lifetime of love and a happiness. Your wedding day will come and go, but may your love grow forever. And sa family na ibibuild nyo. And best wishes on this wonderful journey, sa journey nyong dalawa. Like, bakala, talagang sobrang ayoko na mag-talk, baka ano pang masabi ko. May today be the beginning of a long, happy life together. Siyempre, hindi lang sa marriage mag-i-stop to, diba? Tuloy-tuloy na to, sana talaga. It's a girl. It's a girl agad. Ayun. And thank you again for letting me and my family share in this joyful day. Yung, diba? Ito palang na-invite mo kami kahit alam mong malayo eh. Talagang sobrang grateful na ako, diba? Sobrang thankful din ako sa Lord kasi talagang binigay niya na si Kuya Ken sa'yo. Si Dane, may... Charot, kasi sobrang... Ito naman yung prayer natin, college pa lang ako, diba? So talagang mahanap mo na yung true love mo, ilapit ka na ng Lord sa destiny mo, and ito na yun, sobrang happy ako. And I pray then na sa ibibuild niyo na family is laging maging center ang Lord. Si Kuya Ken, ikaw, and si God. Para, happy-happy lang. Ayan. And last is, may the love and happiness you feel today shine through the years. Thank you, Ate Jen. I'm so happy to both of you and blessed ng Lord yung marriage nyo and ingatan kayo lagi dyan. And ayun lang, I love you. Ay, wait lang, tawagin ko si Beams. Pare, congrats. Beams, tara dali. Diba, naglalaro pa siya eh. Bili mo na, mapapanood to ng buong mundo. Mag-ano ka na, i-congrats mo na sila.
Congrats tapos.
Kahit ano, bilisan mo na, i-delete ko.
Ay, ano ba?
Go.
Isip mo muna, tapos
Hindi, magsalita ka na. Sabihin na natin sa kanila to. Huwag na tayo mag-edit.
Tapos,
Mag-congrats ka na. Mag-i-start na to. Congrats na sila. Ang haba na ng oras.
32 na yun.
3 minutes pa lang.
Ano?
Ayan.
Nag-i-start na pala eh.
Oh, mag-message ka na nga.
Pwede mo pa ikat yun.
Hindi, mag-message ka na. Start mo na. Eto na.
Wala,
Mag-message ka na ang tagal. Basahin mo na to.
3 minutes na.
Mag-message na rin ako. Kaya
Bawal
ako
ikat
naman.
yun.
Alam mo, tayo nagkakagulo pa kami.
Bawal ikat yun.
Hindi na ikakat. Mag-message ka na. Bisa mo na. Congratulate mo na nga lang sila para magbabay na tayo.
Congrats Ate Janet, Kuya Ken.
Congratulations, tayo. Bye-bye.
Hi, Peng. Hello. Congratulations sa wedding yung dalawa ni Kent. Masabi ko lang, ingat kayo palagi yan. Yan ang simula ng inyong journey sa buhay may asawa. Ang kasunod niyan is baby na. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Mahal ko kayo. Congratulations. Bye-bye. Hello.
Hi Tita Peng, congratulations po sa wedding mo. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan. I love you po. Bye-bye.